Good afternoon. Today, as some of you may have seen, we've had a delivery of some Storm 20s SWA glands from Specialist Wiring Accessories. There's been a bit of interest online, so I thought I'd get them out and show you what's in the bag. So I don't know whether you can see that, but I'll put that there. So plastic bodied gland, a bit like a CW gland. There's a BSEN 62444 approved, IP38. No shroud needed. We'll take a number of different cable types according to this. It's non-corrosive, UV stable, zero halogen. Do them up hand tight and then half a turn with a spanner to lock them off. But let's have a quick look. So, outer cap with an O-ring, sub-assembly. So, sub-assembly with the armouring clamp, just like a CW gland. Cone body in there, gland body, fixed into the plastic body of the gland. Brass O-ring, lock nut, as you would expect. The galv ones always rust. Banjo, a lot of you guys are telling me that you like the whisker boxes with the gland plates. They are very neat. Don't always work with what you've got, so in that case I use the piranha rings rather than having to drill a hole through an IP38 box. Internal rings, internal nuts, much better way of going. Nice long thread on that. Feel like a good solid gland. I do like a good solid gland, as it were. Pop that in there, get that around the right way. Another little O-ring in here, gone off camera there. Nice feel to them, nice solid construction. So say, don't come with a shroud, don't need them. Full instructions there. So there you go. The storm that is causing a storm. Haven't seen the typhoon yet, so maybe I need to have a chat with SWA and see if they can get me a typhoon gland out. But there you go. Specialist Wiring Accessories, Storm 20s. You've been done. Thank you very much and have a good weekend, guys.